Integrating the Semrush dashboard is a straightforward process that can help you streamline your digital marketing efforts and gain valuable insights into your website's performance. To get started, you will need to create an account with Semrush and have access to the dashboard. First, log into your Semrush account and navigate to the dashboard. The dashboard is divided into several sections, including the overview, technical SEO audit, and competitor analysis. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the different sections and the data they provide. Next, connect your website to the Semrush dashboard by clicking on the Setup button and entering your website's URL. This will allow Semrush to crawl your website and gather data on your technical SEO, backlinks, and content. Once your website is connected, you can start to explore the various tools and features available on the dashboard. The Technical SEO Audit tool provides a comprehensive analysis of your website's technical performance, including issues with crawlability, mobile usability, and page speed. The Backlink Analysis tool allows you to monitor your website's backlink profile and identify potential issues with toxic links or anchor text over optimization. You can also use the Competitor Analysis tool to compare your website's performance to that of your competitors and identify areas for improvement. To get the most out of the Semrush dashboard, it is essential to set up tracking and alerts. This will allow you to monitor your website's performance in real time and receive notifications when issues arise or changes occur. Best practices for integrating the Semrush dashboard include regularly reviewing your website's technical SEO audit, monitoring your backlink profile, and using the Competitor Analysis tool to inform your digital marketing strategy. By following these best practices and taking advantage of the tools and features available on the Semrush dashboard, you can gain a deeper understanding of your website's performance and make data-driven decisions to improve your digital marketing efforts. Overall, integrating the Semrush dashboard is a simple and effective way to streamline your digital marketing efforts and gain valuable insights into your website's performance. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can start to unlock the full potential of the Semrush dashboard and take your digital marketing to the next level.